Right, there you are, finishing it off, huh? No spoon anymore, just your hand. Got it all over your face. Got some on the floor too, but thankfully we have this little mat. And you're going to try and eat it right out of the container. Good girl. You're so cute. Okay, say bye-bye again. Bye-bye. No, not to Mommy. Bye to the camera. Bye-bye, Emmy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Daddy.